Alright, what's good, y'all? This J.C.A Reactions. I'm John. I'm back here again, about to get into the newest death battle video. Excuse me, I'm doing the video from my laptop this time. About to react to newest death battle. Black Canary versus Sindel, DC Comics versus Mortal Kombat death battle. Y'all already know the original link will be in the description box below. Y'all want to check it out without my commentary or whatnot. Now, if y'all checked out my not Superman. If y'all checked out my Spider-Man versus Static Shock video, y'all would see that bet my money on Sindel. Unless the stats tell me I need to switch up otherwise. But if nothing changed, I'm sticking to Sindel. But it's too early to call it because I don't know much about this Black Canary woman. So we're gonna find out today. I ain't gonna spend so much more time talking. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So without further ado, about to give out this content strictly from me to you. Let's get it.
It's a trope we're all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help. Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the opposite. If you ever hear their cry, you're dead. Black Canary, the blonde bare-knuckle
I don't know about you.
J.C.A. Comics. And Sindel,
Nice tits, though.
literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. Behold, the Justice Society of America, the first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe. Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit chilling with the spirit of God's divine wrath? And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary.
Okay.
Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they? However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance. Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat, the furry boxer I mentioned earlier. Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry. Cases such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained.
So that's why they put her and Sindel together.
A dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities. Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new power and martial arts training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary. The second one is Joke. By emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can annihilate the eardrums of anyone nearby. Or just ramp up the volume and blow people away with shock waves. She can even stop a runaway train. It's quite versatile, too. She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities. And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work? Let's dig into this for a bit. For a sound wave to become a shock wave, it must possess an intensity of at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels. Okay. That's the same level of volt as a volcano erupting. All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry. That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her. Not to say she's useless without her superpower, of course. She's one of comics' greatest ass-kickers. Thanks to Wildcat and her mother, Dinah has trained in jiu-jitsu, karate,
the dragon style, kung fu,
and many more styles of martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster. She's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill. Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts masters like Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond. Sounds crazy, right? But believe it, how else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power.
I don't know nothing about DC for real. I'm just being honest.
And stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
I know about the main people though, like Superman, Batman, Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, and all that. But
more strength.
As far as in
I wouldn't
depth,
be surprised
I
if
don't
she
know.
secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, because she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood. Given the yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons. The gal survived a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even her own Canary cry reflected back at her. It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves. Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin. She may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor to the original Justice Society. Next to her main man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver, if you know what I mean. They did sick. Long story short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history. The realm of
Alright, let's get on Sindel though. What about Sindel, boy?
Garden of Eden, if you will. You said that like it was supposed to be clever. Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld Conqueror Shao Kahn in the tournament of Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat! By decree of the Elder Gods, an invading force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death. Unfortunately for Adenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and wanted to eat for himself. To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared.
Fatalities getting worse and worse.
Adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably. Needless to say, Sydney wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked. For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
Yeah.
She was back and ready to slay, and holy shit did she! Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability, allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants. You better have said that with a K. And despite being dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese kung fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Zhao Pai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast, powerful strikes. Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a glaive designed for long-range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey. Though she hardly needs a weapon.
Even though Canary fighting style is a little bit more, got a wider range of fighting styles.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's kinda hot. Oh, would you still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body? What a way to go. Okay, well, all that pales in comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamers. Oh, like that Transformer that we had that pony eat his soul. No. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake, comparable to nearly 500 tons of TNT exploding all at once. With power like that, it's no wonder she was able to...
So they ain't go based on DB this time, they went off earthquakes.
Which include our old pal, Sub-Zero. Either way, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. But compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent. All right, the combat...
Hold up. Alright, hold up. Alright. Quick convo. Now, I want to bet on Sindel, but some tell me Black Canary is going to win. Some tell me Black Canary going to win, bro, because Black Canary got a wider range. Black Canary got a wider range of fighting techniques, or fighting styles, my bad. While Sindel got like what, 3 or 4 karate styles. So, but I don't think they mentioned something about Sindel's screeching technique to be injured or decreased in any way, shape, or form. But Black Canary, her screaming technique can be halted if her throat is injured, but which still don't mean much, cause she got these bombs that can replace her screeching her signature move if she can't do it at that moment in time or whatever. But Sindel is from Mortal Kombat, alright? Her screech can detonate, can blow you up, put your body all over the place. She can decorate the living room for real. But Black Canary can also detonate your heart or something like that. I remember them saying that they could detonate your heart. She could detonate your heart with one punch or one touch or something like that. Some telling me to bet on Black Canary, but I'm a hold up. I'm a hold up real quick.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Be not thought this far, Sir Threlman. Behold,
I got her hair like that.
I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
And Black Canary can fly too. So if that means anything, some tell me Black Canary gonna win.
Are you hurt, child?
Nick, I know y'all ain't gonna end it like that. I was just about to say.
I almost fell asleep. So are ring outs a thing here?
Hell no.
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death. Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Since when can Sindel do that? You can fly, bitch. Oh, I guess she can't. Well, I guess she can. Oh! I told you. I told you. Shit, that detonate punch, that one Saitama punch, one punch man, whatever the fuck you want to call it.
For the first time, technically, so I tried to work it in, guys. This battle was a curious one. For the most part,
It was. It really was.
and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey. Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that
And she know more
big of an
fighting,
advantage, really.
got more fighting
Comparable
styles, so.
timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this. Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that. But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry?
I mean, I want to say Sindel's.
300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels. I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are frickin' weird. See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on. So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the canary cry would be about 1 million times stronger than the banshee scream. Nearly 500 megatons of TNT. Awesome. The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883.
Anybody looking for a DC Mortal Kombat? Well, I mean, they already did that, but
has been shown to be capable of. It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
Anybody want a new DC and Mortal Kombat collaboration game like they did for the 360 back in the day? I mean, it just might be me, or am I by myself? I don't know.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her. It was Sindel's time to die. What, no pun about screams? Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed. The winner is Black Canary.
I got it right.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Death Battle.
I got it right.
Please click the link in the description below. And
Alright, who got next? Who next? Which one of the Ninja Turtles? Alright, so it's Leonardo versus Jason? February 23rd. Alright, cool. Yeah, cancel that. I don't want to repeat. Jason versus Leonardo. That sounds kind of one-sided a little bit though. If they add weapons into the equation, then Jason might, well, no. If they add the Megazord into this equation, then Jason got this hands down. But if it's just them hand-to-hand combat with what they got on them at the moment, then Leonardo whooping their ass. But hey, who knows? But man, I bet right. I wanted to bet on Sindel. Truly I did. But some told me that Black Canary was gonna do her thing. But man, it's crazy. But alright, man, that my reaction to the Death Battle, Black Canary versus Sindel. Y'all like this reaction, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Y'all let me know who y'all had y'all money on, or who y'all wanted to see win. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.